session. So let's begin our recording session. Okay, let's begin now. Okay, first, let's introduce myself. I am teacher Sarah Al-Gamal. I am the science teacher here in Nowschool Academy for grade 6, inshallah. So I will allow all of you to introduce yourself now. Now, who like to begin? Raise your hand if you want to begin. Okay, Rudy, what is your name?
My name is Rudaina Muhammad.
Welcome, Rudaina. Okay, how old are you?
11.
Wow, 11. Okay. And what is your hobby?
Play basketball.
Wow, you like playing basketball. That's good. And what about your dream?
My dream is to be a dentist.
Wow. Okay, I will pray to achieve your dream, inshallah, one day. Okay, now, Marwiti, what is your name?
My name is Marwa.
Yeah, welcome, Marwa. And how old are you, Marwa?
I am 10.
You are 10 years old. That's good. And now, what is your hobby?
Swimming.
Swimming. You like swimming. That's good. And what about your dream?
I want to be a doctor.
A doctor. Inshallah, you will achieve your goal. Inshallah. Okay. Let's begin our session today. Let's first speak about our session rule. All of you have to open your camera in the session here. You have to sit in one spot during the class and never go around your home. Never eat except you asked me, and I say, okay. And please, all of you, close your mic and never unmute yourself except I allow. Raise your hand if you want to speak or you want to ask, and never disturb. And using your chat box. Is it okay for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, it's okay. Everything is clear now?
Yes.
Okay, now let's ask our first question today. What is this? What's this boy doing? If you want to speak, please remember to raise your hand. Okay, Marwa, you can speak today now.
He measured his mass.
He measured his mass. What about your opinion, ya Rudaina?
Yes. I
Mass.
measure his mass.
But always we listen our mommies measure your weight. Is this a right expression?
No.
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 So do you think there is a big difference between a word mass and the word weight?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
your opinion that there is a difference between the mass and the weight. Okay, let's see. Now I have a video. Let me show it to you to introduce the mass. Okay, all of you show my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I will ask you after showing the video,
adapted
so
mind
please focus.
math. Come explore
No,
the
not
site with
the-
me.
please.
I'm in first.
There is a problem. There's something happened with my video. I don't know what it, but
Hello, little scientists. I'm Professor Bill Tyson, and together we're gonna know different forms of science. Today, we're gonna talk about another property of matter called mass. but not this kind of mass I'm talking about. The mass I'm referring to is the amount of matter that an object or body has. Imagine a bottle with 2 drops of water. It's almost empty, right? But if I pour water to the top, I greatly increase the amount of water. Which means more matter, more mass. So we can say the more mass an object has, the more difficult it will be to move it. For example, moving this pencil requires few strength because it's light and small. This pencil should have only 10 grams. But if I move my entire workbench, it will be a lot harder because it has much more mass. Must have more than 100,000 grams or 100 kilograms. So, kilograms and grams are some of the ways we measure mass. Well, I'm gonna enjoy that I was pushing and I'm gonna lift a few pounds to get stronger. That's it for now. See you next time.
Bye-bye, scientist Bill Tyson.
Just one more thing.
Okay, now, what did you understand from the video? Who want to speak, please raise your hand. Okay, Rudy, what do you want to say?
We measure the mass with gram and kilogram.
Yes, that's right. I have to clap my hand for you. Yeah, the measuring unit for mass is gram and kilogram. Okay, what about you, Marwa? What did you learn from the video?
I learned.
Yeah.
We talk about mass and weight.
And weight, okay. But what is mass? He asked, he told something about mass. He told us that what? Hi, Nisma, how are you? Or who is Naima, iPhone? Hi, how are you? Can you open your camera and mic and introduce yourself, please? Naima? I'm not sure about the name. And Mahmoud Hussam, I have here somebody called Mahmoud Hussam. Is it you, Rudy?
السلام عليكم ازي حضرتك يا مس؟
Alaykum assalam. How are you, Mahmoud?
I'm fine.
Okay, Mahmoud, can you open your camera, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Miss, I will. Okay, one
And-
second, please.
Okay,
second.
take your time, dear. Okay, Huda, how are you? Okay, Huda is disappeared. Okay, again, Marwa, he told something about mass. What is mass?
أنا عارفة إيه هي الماس يا مس بس مش عارفة أشرحها بالإنجليزي.
First, he told me it's a property of matter. What is the meaning of property of matter? Something helped me to describe the matter. Something helped me to describe the matter or the object. So if I told you, dear, do you know what about what is the elephant? What is the elephant? Yeah, what is the elephant, ya Marwa? It is a very huge animal.
Big, huge animal.
Yeah, which have very large mass. That's right?
Yes.
Yeah, so mass is a property which helped me to describe the matter, helped me to describe the matter. There's a huge thing which have a very large mass and a small thing which have very little mass. What about this? What is this?
Paper clip.
That's right, it's a paper clip. Is it very huge thing or very little thing?
Very little thing.
Yeah, so it has a very large mass or a very small mass?
Very small mass.
Okay, what about this? It's 1 liter of water, is that right?
Yes.
Is this a large thing or a small thing?
Large.
Yeah, it have very large mass or a large mass or a small mass?
Large.
Large mass, that's right. So the mass is a property which helped me to describe something. That's right now? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Clear. Okay. Let's return to the PowerPoint again. This is our keywords for today. I ask a help to read it. Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Don't forget to raise your hand. Rudy. Okay, Rudy, you raised your hand. Now, can you read it to me?
Okay. Keyword: mass, kilogram, scale, balance, ton, gram.
Okay, what about you, Marwa? Do you like to share us
Yes.
reading? Okay.
Mass, kilogram,
Scale.
scale,
Yeah.
balance, ton, gram.
Exactly, like you say. Okay, now, Mahmoud, can you open your camera now or still?
Yes, miss. Wait, I'll open in the laptop.
Okay,
wait.
no problem about me. Okay. Now, let's define the mass again. In the video, he told me that the mass is a property of matter. And he told me the mass is the amount of matter in an object. What is the meaning of amount of matter in an object? Who can describe? If I told you my mobile phone, okay, about 200 grams, what is the meaning of that? Who want to speak? Rudy also? Okay. What is the meaning of that here, Rudy?
Okay, this means the amount of matter inside your phone
Yeah,
is 200 grams.
that's right. This means the amount of matter inside my phone is 200 grams. What do you think, ya Marwa, the matter inside my mobile phone? If there is a chocolate inside it, for example, or sweets or candies, some vegetables, for example,
No,
maybe some meat, some chicken, something like this.
no.
No. So what matter inside my mobile phone?
Wires and
Yeah,
uh,
some metal.
some little
Yeah.
plastic,
Yeah, some plastic. That's right. A plastic cover.
glass,
Yeah, that's right. A glass
and
Some-
battery.
and batteries. That's right. All of these are matter inside my mobile phone. That's right. So this means the amount of matter, the summation of matter inside my mobile phone is about 200 grams. This is my mobile phone mass. Okay, that's enough for it. Okay, if I asked you that I go to the supermarket and I buy 1 kilo of this, what is this?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Who likes the cucumber?
Me.
Yeah,
Me.
yeah, especially in the hot days. It's very fine. Okay, I bought 1 kilo of cucumber because it's very hot today. So what is the meaning of that? I have 1 kilo of cucumber. Who want to speak? Please raise your hand. Don't forget. Okay, Marwa, what is the meaning that I buy 1 kilo of cucumber?
All of the cucumber equal 1 kilogram.
Yeah, the matter inside my cucumber is equal 1 kilogram. What is the matter inside my cucumber? If I open 1 cucumber, what can I find inside it? Who need to speak? A plant, the cell, and the tissue, the water, the vitamins inside my cucumber is about 1 kilogram. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. So again, what is the
Yes.
mass? Who want to say what is the mass? Okay, yeah, Marwiti, what is the mass?
It is the amount of matter in an object.
It is amount of matter in an object. Okay, Lujain Husam, is that you? Lujain Mahmoud. اوكي يا محمود لو انت مش عارف
Yes,
تفتح
ma'am.
الكاميرا اتس اوكي خلاص ممكن تشارك معانا ناو يا محمود احنا عمالين نقرا بس انت طبعا مش معانا فانا هسمح لك تقرا هغششك يعني what is mass
It is the amount of matter in an object.
yeah what is the meaning of that if I told you يا محمود ركز معايا I have what a cat for example I haven't a cat now but if I have a cat and I told you يا محمود the mass of my cat is about half kilogram صغيرة شوية معلش خسة what is the meaning of that my cat ها لو أنا قلت لك إن my cat my cat mass, body mass, sorry, about half kilogram. يا حبيبتي دي صغيرة أوي. ها. What is the meaning of that?
It is mass is
Yeah.
1/2 gram.
1/2 kilogram. That's right. It's the amount of matter inside my cat equal half kilogram. What is the matter inside my cat body? What do you think? Chocolate? If you open your cat كده هتلاقي فيها جواها chocolate مثلا. No chocolate. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
Blood and systems.
Yeah, blood and
Blood
their system and its fur and its bone and its muscle. That's right. It's a head.
Yes.
Yeah. So all the matter inside my cat body equal half kilogram. This means it's a body mass. Okay. In the video also he spoke about the measuring unit of the mass. Who told me what is the measuring unit of the mass?
Gram and kilogram.
Yeah, please, Mahmoud, if you want to speak, please raise your hand. That's right, gram and kilogram. Raise your artificial or visual hand يعني باللابتوب كده بالزوم يعني, okay? Okay, yes, that's right. The gram and the kilogram. Which I can use the gram to measure the large thing or the small thing? What do you think? Okay, يا رودي.
Okay, when we measure small or light things, we use gram.
Can you give me some examples for things which we use
want
gram?
to measure
A huge to use kilogram. Now I want you, Yaruji, to give me one example for like a pen. Yeah, that's right, like my pen. Yeah, the pen we use the gram to measure it. Like the paper clip. Yeah, here I have 3 different paper clips. Which color do you like, Yaruji? The blue or the green or the yellow?
Yellow.
The yellow one. Okay, this is Rudy paper clip. Okay.
Yellow.
Okay. To measure the paper clip mass, I have to use the gram. What else? What is the examples else? The jewelries. Yeah, to buy a jewelry, I can use the gram. I can say I buy a ring or earring or necklace about 2 grams, 3 grams, 5 grams, 10 grams, but I can't use the kilogram. Nobody buy the jewelry using the kilogram. It's a very huge amount of jewelries. محتاج بقى يبقى غني قوي 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 عشان يروح يشتري كيلوغرام of jewelry. صح ولا غلط؟ قوي قوي إلى ما لا نهاية بقى infinity قوي قوي. صح؟ Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. So the gram using for the jewelers. For what else? Chemicals and medicines. Chemicals in the laboratory, we use the grams to measure it because it's a very small amount. Okay, now, ya Mahmoud, can you give me some examples for materials which we use the kilogram to measure?
Kilogram.
Yeah. Okay, I will help you.
A dumbbell.
Dumbbell,
No,
yeah,
no, no.
Yeah. Dumbbell, it's a very heavy thing. So we use the kilogram to measure it. What else?
Yes, and TVs.
TVs, yeah, that's right. What else?
And
fruit and vegetables.
Woods, yes,
Woods,
and woods
yeah.
and fruit.
Fruit, vegetables, yes, that's right. All of these using the kilogram. 1 kilogram equal 1 liter of distilled water. 1 liter of distilled water, this is equal 1 kilogram. What is distilled water? Just water with no impurities, with no addition. Just water, H2O, because there is 2 types of water. One water, which we drink daily, mineral water with addition and minerals, and another water we use in the laboratory, which we call distilled. Okay, so what are the devices which we can use to measure the mass? Marwa, can you help me?
Yes.
Yes, what are the devices which we use to measure the mass?
2-arm scale.
Yeah, we have one type of the devices, we call it 2-arm scale. So it has 2 arms. Like what?
Balance scale.
Like the balance scale.
Sensitive to arm scale.
And sensitive to arm scale. Yeah, the sensitive to arm scale in the past used to measure the jewelries and the chemicals and medicine. We use it. And the balance scale is used to measure the vegetables and the fruits. Nowadays, most our usage by one arm scale. Like what, ya Marwa?
One arm digital scale, one
Yeah.
arm scale with a pointer.
Yeah, one arm digital scale, it's used to measure the small amounts or the very tiny amounts like chemicals and medicine and jewelries. And one arm scale with a pointer, which you see in the supermarket to buy some vegetables or fruits. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you
Yes.
like the laboratory? Who wanted to go with me to the laboratory to use the balance scale? I like it. I'm a scientist, so I like the laboratory. Do you like it, ya Mahmoud?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's introduce my Fit Colorado laboratory. Here, I like it too much. So, do you like to play with me with a balance scale? How can we make a balance? Okay, here we have a balance scale now. مين اللي يحب ياخد الكنترول ويبدأ يعمل بالانس؟ ندي لمين في الأول؟ ندي لمحمود. Okay. يلا يا محمود. Now you can make a balance.
Problem.
You can take 5 kilogram from here. Put it here.
Yes.
Wow. Huh. How can we make a balance? ينفع أحط 10؟
put 5 kilogram. No. 5.
5. Okay. طب دلوقتي أنا عايزة أعمل هنا balance. What can I do?
Put another 5.
Another 5 here or here?
No, here. Yes.
Here. Okay. Wow. Do you like my balance scale now?
Yes.
Yes. Is it okay? Okay. Who wanted to help me? Marwa? Okay. I will give you the control now. Give me 1 minute. Stop control يا محمود. اللي هيعرف يعمل كنترول أكتر اللي داخل باللابتوب عامة يعني. مين حد داخل باللابتوب؟
Yes.
مين؟ أنا مش عارف. محمود. أنا اديتك الكنترول يا ولد. أين أنت يا مروة؟ أنا مش عارفة أديكي الكنترول يا مروة تقريبا لأن أنت داخلة بموبايل I think.
Yes.
هدي الرودي. هاي يا رودي تحبي تعملي بالانس الكام كيلو؟ يلا استخدمي أنت. شدي أنت بقى.
Okay, 20.
20. أوكي. بص مفترية ما شاء الله عليها. أوكي. تعالي يا 20 هنا. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. خلاص البالانس مات. هنعمل إيه عشان نودي هناك؟ ما تحطيليش 20 بقى. يلا كونيهم من different masses.
حط 10 و 10.
Yeah.
2 10.
Okay. 10 and 10. Okay. هي لسه طبعا ما اتعملتش بالانس. احنا طبعا بنلعب اللعبة دي في الملاهي كلنا يعني. صح ولا غلط؟ سو صح؟ هو طبعا بصوا عشان هي مش على نفس المسافة مش هتعرف تعمل. بصوا احنا لازم نحط دي كده لا تعالي هنا. انت رايحة فين؟ بس كده تمام. تعالي كده بس. عملنا البالانس. هيقعدوا بقى يتمرجحوا كده إلى ما لا نهاية. Do you like my laboratory? Is it good with you? Now you understand how can we use the balance scale?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it easy for all of you?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, do you like to play a word wall?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For me too. Here. Okay. Now, who can I choose? Mahmoud, the first one. What is mass? It is the attraction force of Earth to the object, the amount of matter in an object, the unit of measuring temperature, the measuring tool of weight, a variable value, changes by changing.
I can't see the screen.
What again?
I can't see the screen.
You can't see it?
And me. I
Okay,
can't see
now
it.
I stop share it and I will share it again. Now you see it? Is it okay now?
It's loading.
What again؟
Yes.
No.
استنوا لا استنوا، أنا هقول لكم حاجة نعملها أحسن. فين اللعبة بتاعتنا؟ أهي. Now, do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, what
yes.
is mass يا محمود? Is the attraction force of Earth to the object, the amount of
Yes.
matter?
A.
Yeah, the
A.
amount of matter. That's right. Okay يا رودي. طب أنت عارفة إن السؤال ده اتكرر أكتر من مرة. The mass of 1 gram equal the mass of 1 liter of water, 1 kilogram, 1 paper clip. What do you think يا رودي?
Paper clip.
Yeah, the paper clip, but here he bring the red one, not the yellow one. Okay.
Teacher?
Yeah. Now, yeah, Marwiti, the measuring unit that used to measure the mass are kilogram and centimeter, kilometer, centimeter, and meter, liter, millimeter, centimeter, gram, kilogram, ton. What do you think?
Gram, kilogram, ton.
Yeah, the ton is for very large object like a truck, like a train, like aeroplane. Okay, finally, yeah, Mahmoud, the measuring tool that used to measure the mass of 1 kilogram of apple is called?
Two-band balance.
Yeah, two-band balance, which we use in the laboratory. Okay, now it was easy, is that right?
Yes.
Is it easy for all of you now? All of you understand my lesson today?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, now can I say goodbye? Do you like to revise what we learned today? Quickly.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Quickly. We can say that we learn the mass is what, ya Marwa?
The amount of matter in an object.
That's right, the amount of matter in an object, exactly. Okay, what are the measuring unit of the mass, ya Mahmoud?
And the measuring unit, kilogram and the gram and ton.
That's right, kilogram and gram and ton. And finally, yeah, Rudy, what are the tools which we use to measure the mass? Where is Rudy? Rudy disappeared. Rudy, there's a problem with Rudy internet. So yeah, Mahmoud, what are the tools which we use to measure the mass?
Two-arm scale and two-arm scale.
And one
balance
arm scale. Yeah, the balance
Yes.
scale.
Balance
And-
scale, sensitivity balance scale.
Yeah, and one arm
This-
scale like?
Digital arm scale, one arm
Yeah,
scale.
yeah, that's right.
One arm scale.
Bravo, Alik. One arm scale with a pointer. We call it with a pointer.
Yes.
With a this
With a
this
pointer.
arm is a pointer. Okay. Now the gram equal ايه يا مروة?
Gram equal kilogram. Gram.
No. One paper
equal-
clip.
One paper clip.
Yeah, one paper. Which color do you prefer? The green or the blue or the yellow? I have a lot of colors of it. Which
I love
one?
Yellow.
The yellow one also. Okay. And 1 kilogram equal 1 liter of distilled water. That's all for today's session. Can I say now goodbye for all of you and see you, inshallah? Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
dear. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.